This 2022 Forest River Impression 240RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features one slideout, a PARAMOUNT interior, sleeps 4, Colorado Detector, spare tire kit, LP detector, external shower, smoke detector, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, awning, stove top burner, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Impression 240RE is 8,167 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.